Hello everyone, I'm Rupert and let us talk about money. I am a senior financial consultant from Affinity Partners. Today, I will be talking about disability income policy in Singapore. Do you know that all Singaporean and PR have this policy after 30 years old? The only exceptions are our older folks that somehow lapsed or terminated it when they are younger. However, if they have lost this policy and they are still in good health, I strongly encourage their younger family members to help them to enroll back into it. So what are they? The older versions are called ElderShield 300 or 400, and the newer or current version are CareShield Life. So what are the difference? ElderShield 300 pays out $300 every month for 5 years, and ElderShield 400 pays out $400 every month for 6 years. The newer and current CareShield Life pays out $649 with a 2% increment every year for the rest of your life. So if yours is under ElderShield, you can actually consider upgrading it to CareShield Life. So how does this policy works? For a start, you need to understand what are the activities of daily living. In short, we call them ADLs. They are washing, dressing, feeding, toileting, walking or moving around, and transferring. Washing is the ability to wash in the bath or shower, and that includes getting into and out of the bath or shower. Dressing is the ability to put on, take off, secure, and unfasten all garments, and as appropriate, any braces, artificial limbs, or other surgical or medical appliances. Feeding is the ability to feed yourself food after it has been prepared and made available to you. So it does not include you cooking and preparing the food. Toileting is the ability to use the toilet or manage your bowel and bladder function through the use of protective undergarments. In layman term, protective undergarment means adult diapers, okay? Or surgical appliances if appropriate. Walking or moving around is the ability to move indoors from room to room on a leveled surface. Transferring is the ability to move from a bed to an upright chair or wheelchair and vice versa. If you are unable to perform any three of these 6 activities all by yourself, you will be eligible to claim from this policy. However, the problem is, do you think $300 to $600 is sufficient if you cannot perform any 3 of these 6 activities? Very unlikely, right? Because if you are in this state, very likely you will need someone to take care of you. And this amount is insufficient or barely enough to pay the salary of a helper. So what can you do? So you can actually take up a CareShield Life Supplement. In Singapore, there are 3 insurers providing this supplement. In general, they will further enhance your payout so you can get more money every month. But please take note, there are 2 types of payout. The payout may either be inclusive of the CareShield Life payout or excluding the CareShield Life payout. Personally, I would advise you to take the one that is excluding the CareShield Life payout. Because don't forget, CareShield Life payout increases every 2% every year. If it is inclusive, you will lose out on this 2%. More importantly, they also provide you an initial lump sum benefit. And this amount can help you set up the services that you require. For example, if you decide to hire a helper, this initial lump sum payout can help you pay for expenses like documentation, placement fees, maid insurance, and their air tickets. The supplement also provides you with other benefits like death benefit and extra payout if you have dependents relying on you. Some of the supplements also can lessen the claims requirement to 1 or 2 ADLs instead of 3. So what are the common causes for the claims? I will say the common origin is still old age. Because as you age, your body might get weaker, more fragile, and some even develop severe dementia. So all this might cause you not able to do the ADLs independently. Another reason will be an accident. This can happen to anyone at any age. If you lose your limbs or go blind in an accident, very likely you cannot do the ADLs by yourself as well. So what is the claim process like? It is actually very simple. First, you need to print the claim forms and be assessed by an AIC approved assessor. The assessor will check on your ability to perform the 6 ADLs based on these 4 levels. Number 1 is you don't need any help at all. Number 2, you need some help or supervision, like washing the bag or wash your hair. Number 3, you need someone to help most of the time. Or number 4, you cannot do this thing at all, and you need a caregiver to help you entirely on the process. For this, you can either go to an AIC approved clinic, or you can book an AIC approved assessor to come to your house to assess you. Either way, you will need to pay the assessor a fee, but this fee will be reimbursed if the claim is successful. After the AIC assessor has submitted the medical report, you need to log into AIC website to submit your ElderShield or CareShield claim. At the same time, you can inform your consultant to help you with the submission of the supplements claim form as well. However, as a consultant myself, right, I will try to assist my client on the ElderShield and CareShield claim as well. After the submission, there is a 90 days deferment period, which means you will get your first payout around 90 days from the day of assessment. That being said, for your ElderShield and CareShield, you might be able to get waiver for the deferment period if your condition is really quite bad. But unfortunately, you cannot get waiver for the supplements. The purpose for the deferment period is to ensure that the severe disability is of a long-term nature before payouts are provided, or in a layman term, is to avoid people from faking disability or chao-keng. Today, I have a special guest who have many questions. He is Uncle Tan. Okay, Uncle Tan, what are your questions?
Hello everyone, I'm Uncle Tan. Thank you, Rupert. I want to ask you, can I use MediSave to pay for the premiums?
Yes, Uncle Tan, but only up to $600 per year. And in fact, you can buy more than one supplement. So, you can actually buy one supplement from each company if you want. But in total, you can only use $600 from MediSave to pay. This $600 budget will refresh at the start of every year and will apply on the first policy that takes the money. The other balance, you need to use cash to pay.
Oh, then will the premium increase over time, then become more than $600?
The answer is no and yes. No, because the premium before tax will stay the same, unlike the hospitalization policy that will increase as you age. And yes, if you choose an escalating benefits, means your benefit will increase every year. So naturally, right, your premium also will increase. Another possible reason is GST increase. GST is not controlled by the insurer. So if government increase GST, the amount payable will increase accordingly, and it might exceed $600 after the increase. So my advice is to buy this as soon as possible once you are 30 years old, and stretch the premium term to max to lock in the lowest premium for the most monthly payout benefit.
Okay lah, GST a few percent only. Smart that you take advantage of the time. Ask you, then if after claim, right, do I still need to pay?
No, you don't need to. In fact, once you cannot perform 1 or 2 ADLs, the insurer will waive your supplements premium already.
Wow, good leh. Cannot do one, don't need pay already. Then, if I recover, do I still need to pay after that?
Yes. You will need to resume your premiums for both the CareShield Life and the supplement based on the original premium. But you can claim again if you are severely disabled again, so I feel it's fair.
Then, if I don't have the ElderShield or CareShield Life, right, can I still buy the supplement?
Uncle, cannot lah. No main plan how to supplement. And for one of the insurer, even ElderShield cannot buy their current supplement. For this particular insurer, right, you will need to upgrade to a CareShield Life before buying the supplement. That being said, if you lost your ElderShield or CareShield Life, I suggest you apply again since you are still healthy.
Then, how do I know if I have ElderShield or CareShield Life? How do I check?
For this, you can actually check from your CPF portal using an internet browser, not the mobile app, To check, after login, you can go to the dashboard and it's under healthcare. From there, you can see whether you have any integrated shield plan, whether you're under any Elder Shield or CareShield, and also if you have any supplements. If you have any ISP or CareShield Life supplements, they will also show you which company you buy them from. But to check the details of these policies, you will need to go to their insurer portal. And if you are under Elder Shield, there is a link there to bring you to another site to do the upgrade to CareShield Life also.
Oh, okay. Let me check. Wait.
15 minutes later.
Oh, okay. I just checked already. I got Elder Shield 400. Then I just upgrade to CareShield Life. Now, you can help me do the supplement or not?
No problem, Uncle Tan. But let me call you and arrange a time after I end this video. So in summary, today I shared on the difference between Elder Shield and CareShield Life. What are the ADLs? How the supplements can help you? The claim process? And some commonly asked questions by my clients like Uncle Tan. If you need help like Uncle Tan, you can always message me in my Instagram and we can arrange an appointment to discuss further. My next video will be talking about critical illness payout policy. If you want to learn more, just subscribe to my channel or follow me in IG to not miss out on the content that I will be posting, which will definitely benefit you and your wallet. Goodbye.